Hey guys, we're going to be presenting on proxy servers and more specifically Squid. Jack is going to start us off by talking about what proxy servers are and how to use them. Gary's going to go into the history of proxy servers, and I will be talking about how proxy servers are used by organizations and how they're different from virtual private networks. And Franklin actually got Squid working on a virtual machine, and he's going to have a little demo of that.
Hello everyone, this is Jack. I was asked to discuss what is a proxy server. Basically, a proxy server is kind of like a man in the middle. It serves as an intermediary for requests from users to outside destinations. Basically, you as the user would send a request to the proxy server. The proxy server would then actually send that request to the destination. The destination would return it to the proxy server, who would then return it to you. There's lots of different uses for proxy servers. Ideally, you can utilize it to control access to only approved information or data. You can also control access to certain websites, certain aspects of information out on the web. Um, you can also monitor and track what your employees are doing and control their access to approved locations. Finally, you can improve your performance through proxy servers.
Hello, this is Gary, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the history of proxy servers, why we use them, where they came from, and why we really don't need them anymore, or really don't see them around anymore. Back in the 1990s, when we first started going out on the World Wide Web with computers, each computer needed its own server to be able to get out there, to be able to look around and do the great things that we did on the web. However, if you had multiple computers in your office or in your company, you would need multiple servers. So with the invention of proxy servers, one server could handle multiple computers. You would be able to put that on your network, and all the computers would tie to those servers, those multiple proxy servers, and be able to go out on the web and be able to search and do all the great things we were able to do. Well, about 15 years ago or thereabout, somebody came up with Network Address Translation, or NAT. And NAT pretty much put an end to proxy servers. Although proxy servers have found their way back into the market, they do have a good niche, and they're something that are really kind of cool and fun to play with. So thank you very much, and bye now.
Organizations use proxy servers for a variety of reasons, the two main being security and anonymity. When you're using a proxy server, your IP address is hidden and the proxy server's IP address is displayed instead. This is a small layer of protection and will it won't keep out dedicated and skilled hackers, but it helps prevent small breaches of security. When talking about anonymity, people tend to think of malicious or criminal intentions, but this isn't always the case. You could be trying to keep your research secret from competitors or trying to deal with a private or delicate matter. But whatever the case, a proxy server helps hide your identity. A last major use of proxy servers that many organizations use is it takes advantage of being able to control services and content employees use. For example, a company can block out Facebook and Netflix from browsers when they're using proxy servers, which prevents employees from slacking off. There are ways around these content blocks, but proxy servers serve as a deterrent to keep employees busy. Also, proxy servers let employers analyze the browser use of their employees. Popular proxy server used by companies is Wingate. It's a secure proxy server that takes advantage of virtual private networks as well as tools used to manage offices in different locations. The big difference between proxy servers and virtual private networks are that proxy servers are browser-based while VPNs are network-based. When you're using a proxy server, only your browser activity is tunneled through the proxy server. Desktop applications and services would not go through the proxy server, and your IP address would still be visible.
Hi guys, my name is Franklin Guevara, and I will show you how to configure a little bit of the settings for the Squid server. Let me share my screen first, and I will show you that that here I have the Squid server, which is an Ubuntu Linux distribution, and the Squid gets installed into etc/squid. And first of all, I need to access to it. And by doing that, I'm gonna use nano for this. So let me show you the follow, and then I will search for something that I made, which is the configuration. And this is an access list. I call it new list. So I will be looking for it, and but definitely I'm saying it's, this is a new list from this client, which is a Windows computer that I have here. And then I will say that we'll be blocking this, which is something that I have over here. And this is all the domains that I will be blocking during this demonstration today. For doing this, I'm saying new list block. This is, I'm denying, and then I'm allowing everything else. And by doing this, I also have to allow all on the access to this proxy, which is the main one. I have to do allow all. Then let me do Control X because I didn't change anything. For restarting this service, I have to go to service, squid, and restart. And I'm gonna do that because I have it working and everything is actually ready to go. Let me show you here. On Mozilla Firefox, I have to generate some settings. So I have to go to Options, Advanced, and then inside Advanced, I have to go Network and Settings. And here, I have to close, I have to add, this is the Squid server, which port is 3128. This is also in this settings. So since I already add these ones, I'm going to start testing. And let me show you. I have blocked a website named mangastream.com because I love to watch anime, and it says access is denied. There is another website which is mangareader.net, and this one is not denied, so you can see it's actually working. I have blocked another website named purple.com, and by doing this I have to block www.purple.com and purple.com, so it's actually blocking both of them. When I blocked only one, the website wasn't working. I have pink.com, which is not working, and then I have animalplanet.com, which is actually working. So you all of you can see that this server is actually working and they are all connected. So I think that's it. I will be putting some comments over the slide teaching on how to install, which is only one command, and then how to make the configuration, which actually I did it over here very fast. So thank you so much.